Welcome back to Speak English Daily channel.
Good morning, Sarah.
Mike, you look a little worried. What happened?
Oh no, Sarah. I woke up late today.
Late? Why?
My alarm didn't ring. I opened my eyes, and the sun was already up.
Oh, I see. So now you have a problem.
Yes, I feel nervous. What should I do first?
Don't worry, Mike. This is a good chance.
A good chance? Really?
Yes. Today we can practice morning routine English sentences.
Morning routine sentences. That sounds useful.
Exactly. We will go step by step, wake up, wash, eat breakfast, and go out.
Okay, I will try.
Great. Let's start the morning together. All right, Mike, let's start the morning. What do you do first?
First, I wake up.
Good. Say it again slowly.
I wake up.
Wake up means open your eyes.
I open my eyes.
Perfect. And after you open your eyes?
I get out of bed.
Very good. Let's repeat. I wake up. I open my eyes. I get out of bed.
I wake up. I open my eyes. I get out of bed.
Now let's go to the bathroom. What do you do there?
I wash my face.
Good. Wash your face. Again, please.
I wash my face.
Excellent. Next.
I brush my teeth.
Yes, I brush my teeth. Do you brush your teeth in the morning?
Yes, I do. I brush my teeth every morning.
Wonderful. Now, after brushing your teeth, what's next?
I take a shower.
Take a shower. Say it again.
I take a shower.
Good job. Let's repeat together. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take a shower.
I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take a shower.
One more time for practice.
I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take a shower.
Excellent. Now you are clean and fresh. What do you do next?
I get dressed.
Right. Get dressed means put on clothes. What do you wear today?
I wear a shirt and pants.
A shirt and pants. Good. Do you wear shoes?
Yes, I put on my shoes.
Perfect. Now let's make a choice. Which shirt? This shirt or that shirt?
This shirt.
Good. Say the full sentence.
I wear this shirt.
Great. Now let's review. I get dressed. I wear a shirt. I wear pants. I put on my shoes.
I get dressed. I wear a shirt. I wear pants. I put on my shoes.
Wonderful, Mike. Now you are ready for breakfast.
Yes, I'm ready.
Now, Mike, you are dressed. What's next in your morning routine?
Breakfast?
That's right. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. Let's go to the kitchen.
Okay. I go to the kitchen.
Good. And what do you make?
I make eggs and bread.
Eggs and bread. Sounds delicious. Say it again slowly.
I make eggs and bread.
Do you drink something in the morning?
Yes, I drink coffee.
Coffee. Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee.
And what about tea? Do you like tea?
No, I don't like tea.
That's okay. I like tea. Let's practice. I like coffee. I don't like tea.
I like coffee. I don't like tea.
Very good. Now, let's add more words. Do you drink water in the morning?
Yes, I drink water.
Do you drink milk?
Sometimes I drink milk.
Perfect. Repeat after me. I drink coffee. I drink water. I drink milk.
I drink coffee. I drink water. I drink milk.
Excellent. Now, let's eat.
I eat eggs.
I eat bread.
I eat fruit.
Great sentences. One more time. I eat eggs. I eat bread. I eat fruit.
I eat eggs. I eat bread. I eat fruit.
Wonderful. Breakfast smells good, right?
Yes, breakfast smells good.
Breakfast tastes good too.
Breakfast tastes good.
Now you have energy for the day.
Yes, I feel ready after breakfast.
Breakfast is finished. Now, what do you do, Mike?
I get ready to leave.
Good. Let's pack your bag. What do you put in your bag?
I put my wallet in my bag.
Wallet. Yes, good. What else?
I put my phone in my bag.
Excellent. Anything more?
Yes, I put my keys in my bag.
Wallet, phone, keys. Very important. Say it again.
I put my wallet, my phone, and my keys in my bag.
Wait, Mike. Do you have your keys?
Oh no, I forgot my keys.
You forgot your keys? That's a problem.
Yes, I need my keys.
Don't worry. Let's check again.
Oh, here they are. I found my keys.
Great. Say the full sentence.
I found my keys.
Okay. Now let's put on shoes.
I put on my shoes.
Good. Repeat. I put on my shoes.
I put on my shoes.
And later, when you come back home, you take off your shoes.
Take off my shoes. Put on, take off.
Perfect. Say both.
I put on my shoes. I take off my shoes.
Now you are almost ready. What's next?
I open the door.
Yes. Open the door.
I go outside.
Wonderful. Say it again slowly.
I open the door. I go outside.
Excellent. Let's review. I pack my bag. I put on my shoes. I open the door. I go outside.
I pack my bag. I put on my shoes. I open the door. I go outside.
Very good, Mike. Now it's time to travel.
Yes, I'm ready to go.
All right, Mike. You are outside now. Where do you go?
I go to work.
Good. Some people go to school. Some people go to work. Say both.
I go to school. I go to work.
Excellent. What do you use to go to work?
I walk to work.
Walk to work. Nice. Say it again.
I walk to work.
Do you sometimes take the bus?
Yes, sometimes I take the bus.
Good. Repeat. I take the bus.
I take the bus.
Do you sometimes drive a car?
Yes, sometimes I drive a car.
Perfect. Say all three. I walk to work. I take the bus. I drive a car.
I walk to work. I take the bus. I drive a car.
Oh no, Mike. The bus is late today.
Really? That's a problem.
Yes. What do you do?
I wait for the bus.
Very good. Repeat. I wait for the bus.
I wait for the bus.
And when the bus comes?
I get on the bus.
Excellent. After that?
I sit down on the bus.
Perfect. Say it again slowly.
I wait for the bus. I get on the bus. I sit down on the bus.
Now you are traveling. What do you see?
I see people. I see cars. I see shops.
Very nice. One more time.
I see people. I see cars. I see shops.
Do you listen to music?
Yes, I listen to music on the bus.
Good sentence. Repeat. I listen to music on the bus.
I listen to music on the bus.
And now you arrive at work
I arrive at work.
or at school.
I arrive at school.
Excellent. Let's review. I walk to work. I take the bus. I wait for the bus. I listen to music. I arrive at work.
I walk to work. I take the bus. I wait for the bus. I listen to music. I arrive at work.
Very good, Mike. You made it.
Yes, I'm ready to start my day.
Okay, Mike, you are at work now.
Yes, I arrive at work.
And for our learners, if you are a student, you can say, I arrive at school.
I arrive at school.
Perfect. Now, let's start the day. What do you do first, Mike?
I turn on my computer.
Good. Repeat. I turn on my computer.
I turn on my computer.
If you are at school, you can say, I open my book.
I open my book.
Now, do you read emails?
Yes, I read emails.
Repeat. I read emails.
I read emails.
And students, you can say, I read my homework.
I read my homework.
Next. What do you do, Mike?
I talk to my coworkers.
Coworkers, people you work with. Say it again.
I talk to my coworkers.
If you are at school, you can say, I talk to my classmates.
I talk to my classmates.
Now, do you drink something at work?
Yes, I drink water.
Repeat. I drink water.
I drink water.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink coffee.
Perfect. I drink water. I drink coffee.
I drink water. I drink coffee.
Now, let's do some work actions.
Okay.
Repeat after me. I write a report.
I write a report.
I make a phone call.
I make a phone call.
I have a meeting.
I have a meeting.
Very good. And for students, I write in my notebook. I answer a question. I listen to the teacher.
I write in my notebook. I answer a question. I listen to the teacher.
Oh no, Mike. There is a lot of work today.
Yes, I feel busy.
Busy. Repeat.
I feel busy.
But you are also learning.
Yes, I feel busy, but I am learning.
Excellent. Let's review.
I turn on my computer. I read emails. I talk to coworkers. I drink water. I write a report. I have a meeting.
And for students, I open my book. I read my homework. I talk to classmates. I listen to the teacher.
Perfect.
Very nice work, Mike.
Thank you, Sarah.
Okay, Mike, we learned many sentences today. Let's review together.
Sure.
Repeat after me. I wake up.
I wake up.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I take the bus.
I take the bus.
I go to work.
I go to work.
Wonderful. These are simple but very powerful sentences.
Yes, I can use them every day.
Exactly. Your morning can be good, and with practice, your English morning routine can be easy too.
That's true. Practice makes it easy.
Now, Mike, can you tell me about your own morning?
Yes, I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. Then I go to work.
Perfect. And learners, now you can describe your own morning too. We want to hear from you. What do you do in the morning?
Write your sentences in the comments.
Yes, practice in the comments. Write, I wake up. I eat breakfast. I go to school. Or write your own routine.
Sharing will help you remember.
Very good. Thank you for practicing with us today.
Thank you, Sarah.
And thank you, learners. Keep practicing every day.